You don't have to resign to think like a founder. Most people think there are only two paths in life: stay an employee forever or quit and start a business. Pero hindi yan totoo. There are two power roles: entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs. Entrepreneurs start and run their own businesses. They take risks, build teams, create jobs, create opportunities. But inside every great company, may mga intrapreneurs din. Intrapreneurs are employees who innovate, solve problems, launch new projects, and create new opportunities from the inside. Pwede kang staff sa papel, pero founder mindset in how you move. Now, the real question, what if I do all of that and the company doesn't reward me or even abuses me? Then the problem is not your skill. The problem is the company. You don't have to downgrade your mindset. You just replace your company. Take that entrepreneurial mindset somewhere that values it. And there are a lot of companies who can value you. Because let's face it, mas stressful to start a business. Because the goal is not business owner or empleyado. The real flex is this: you create opportunities wherever you are. Share this if we need more Filipinos to think like this.